Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net, and thank you so much for joining me for a few minutes on my media channel here today. And you know what? Thanks to all of your support, we have something new we can share, because thanks to you guys watching and liking and commenting and subscribing, and continue to do so if you haven't already, we can now start looking at other things that are being sent, like this Dragon Ball Z Ultimate Pin Collector's Countdown. Now this is something that was sent to me. I don't really know what it is, but we're gonna have fun. Let's pull the camera back a little bit. Unboxing and just seeing what it is. It is an official licensed product from Toei Animation and Crunchyroll from Inside Edition. So what it says in the back: celebrate your favorite Dragon Ball Z characters with this official pin collector's countdown filled with one-of-a-kind enamel pins. You can proudly display these gifts to show your love of the Dragon Ball universe and its characters. The pins feature fan favorites like Goku, Vegeta, Majin Buu, and Shenron. I don't think Majin Buu's a fan favorite, but whatever. Open one surprise a day and proudly wear or display these pins. Make a perfect countdown gift set for the holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. So, okay. I might have to do this in more than one sitting. As you can see, I started to open it, but then I was like, wait a minute, what am I doing? I can open this with you guys, my loyal viewers, and we can see what this is together. So let's open this thing and see what it is. This is a nice box. And so, okay. So that's what they mean by this. So this is like a little calendar thing. So, okay, so yeah, you can open one a day, or you can open them all at once. And there you go. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to open one of these. Just one. And then, when you come back tomorrow in a short video, we will continue the rest. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, folks, we're going to spread this out a little bit, because this was a nice little gift. At least I hope it's nice. I haven't actually seen any of the pins yet, but let's start by opening one pin, and then we'll do short pins for the rest of the day. So this is day number 1. Open this pin right here. Oh. Haha. It's Piccolo. Is Piccolo. It's interesting that Piccolo is the first one, but okay, let's look at the pin. I don't know if we'll do this for every single one, but yeah, that's a very nice pin. Oh yeah, that looks very, very nice. Yeah, I could definitely see myself wearing that. So Piccolo is our first pin. Now then, what's the second day pin going to be? It might be Bulma, but I wonder, is it going to be Bulma? Are they going to make it that obvious? I mean, you could kind of say that Piccolo is related to Shenron if you've seen the show and you know. So, will they actually, but although there's a Piccolo down here, so this is where the pin would have been if they're actually lining it up. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. I guess tomorrow we will see what's behind number 2. So you want to keep up to date with that, you know what to do. You got to subscribe, you got to ring that bell and everything. And I would actually like to know, do you have this set? What do you think of the pins? As we unwrap the pins, you can comment in the comments section. Would love to see that. And yeah, hopefully we'll get more gifts like this, so we can do more than just unboxing the movie. So anyway, love to know about all this. So comment below and like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.
All right, folks, let's do day 2 of this unboxing. We did day 1. That was Piccolo. Today we're at 2. Bulma's there. Is it Bulma? No, it's a Dragon Ball. The second day of this little unboxing is the 4-star. Yeah, it's the 4-star Dragon Ball, though it kind of looks like a Kamehameha. Like I don't know if I like that design as much. It kind of, I mean, where's the 4-star? I guess I guess that looks okay. Okay, it's also probably not really showing up great on this. But yeah, there it is, 4-star Dragon Ball. That's day number 2. Alright, we're on day 3 of unboxing this pin set. Let's focus in. Let's see what's behind Trunks. Will it be Trunks? Yesterday it was a Dragon Ball. What will it be today? It is... shoot, it's Majin Buu. Majin Buu, I don't... I mean, I guess this takes place during the Buu saga and everything. I'm not even going to take that one out. So yeah, I mean, it's a nice looking pin, and I like the purple, obviously, but yeah, not a fan. That's a little disappointment. Let's tune in tomorrow to see what we get with tomorrow's pin. All right, folks, it's Saturday. Let's so this is what we've got so far. Let's see what's number 4. I hope it's Trunks or Vegeta or something. Something tells me they're going to save Goku and Vegeta for last, though. Oh! Nope. It's, Super Saiyan Goku. Super Saiyan Goku. Okay, I really like that one. That's a nice surprise. So, really, we can get anything in this daily thing. So, okay. Alright, so that was like a fun little Saturday surprise. Now, tomorrow is Sunday. It's the day of our Lord and Savior. Let us see what we get tomorrow. All right, folks, it's Sunday. We've been having fun unboxing this throughout the week. We are kind of almost at the halfway point. Let's see what's under Goku. We got Super Saiyan Goku yesterday. Are we going to get Vegeta today? Who do we get? Oh, yay! I was correct! We got Super Saiyan Vegeta. That's really cool. Okay, that's awesome. Although, if anyone needs... Jesus in their lives on Sunday, it's this guy. So, alright, this is almost our first week. This has been very, very fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on Monday, and we'll see who's behind Piccolo. Alright everyone, we're on day 6 of our daily unboxing of this. The last one was Super Saiyan Vegeta. I'm going to say it's going to be Gohan, because so far the characters have not lined up, but let's see who's under Piccolo. I'm going to say it's Gohan. We will see. It is, oh, it's Shenron. It's the dragon. It is the dragon. Oh, I hate it when that happens. There we go. Let's focus on it. There's the dragon. Very, very cool. I do like that one quite a bit. So on the 6th day, there's a dragon. I'm kind of surprised they didn't say that for the 7th day. Oh, this whole thing almost came off. Well, there you go. Okay. We'll tune in tomorrow to see who's under there. I'm gonna guess Piccolo maybe, but we'll see. I've had a few surprises already, so we'll see what's under there tomorrow. Alright, we have done half of these unboxings. We have Piccolo, Dragon Ball, Buu, Goku, Vegeta, Shenron, and now number 7. We're gonna get, oh, it probably won't be Gohan. Let's say this guy. Let's say we're going to get this guy. I forgot exactly what his name is at this exact moment in time. And it's Goku again. Regular Goku. Ooh, that's a nice one. I like that one. Yeah, so we got regular Goku again. That's awesome. I guess we're going to have Goten soon. But, yeah, we are now more than halfway finished with this little daily unboxing thing. So let's see. I wonder what tomorrow's going to be. Leave the comments below on what you think is going to be tomorrow's pin. Gosh, I hope the sound is working today. So, yesterday, the pin was Goku, well, the Turtle Hermit symbol. You couldn't hear it because, unfortunately, the mic turned off. I was pretty disappointed. Let's see what today's is. I'm going to guess Bulma again. Why not? Why not? I can do that again. And, oh, it's regular Vegeta. It is regular Vegeta. Not Super Saiyan Vegeta. It's regular Vegeta, so... I like that pin. That one, much happier with that pin. We've only got a few more days to go. This is exciting, folks. Yeah. you know the drill. Comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. 3 more to open. Alright, it's the weekend. We're getting pretty close to finishing this up. Are we going to have Bulma? I'm actually going to be predicting Bulma for pretty much all of these because I kind of want a Bulma pin. So let's see. It's day 10. What is behind Majin Buu and his dog? It is... Oh, epic fail. That is an epic fail. It's the M here. That sucks. That sucks. Well, Saturday and Sunday are coming up. Hopefully we'll have better luck on those days. All right, it's Saturday. We've been having some disappointing ones and still a couple cool ones. So, don't tell me this is... Well, we're opening this one today. Is this Piccolo? Is this Trunks? Do I get my Bulma pin today? This one's not as easy to get to at the moment. Let's see. Oh, it's Gohan. Okay, so actually there kind of is a little rhyme. There is sort of a rhyme and reason to this. Okay, well, I'm more convinced than ever we're not getting Bulma, but tune in tomorrow. It's Sunday. It will be what's behind number 12. We're wrapping it up. I don't expect Bulma, but I expect Vegeta or something to that effect. Let's see. It's Sunday. What is the last of these pins that we're getting? Come on. People are waiting. And of course, the last one's the hardest one to actually get open. Are you kidding me? I suspected it would be disappointing. Well, anyway, we might as well just open them all now. There we go. Like, that's all 12. Most of these I like, but this sucked. Come on, that sucked. But oh well. We have now officially unboxed the whole stinking thing. I don't know if you can actually... Can you close this again? Who cares? The box is going to get thrown away. So anyway, there it is. Ultimate Pin Collector's Countdown. That's what you get. What do you think of the pins? Comment below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.